Hey, what's up everybody? We're going to talk today about a seated box or a seated bench crunch. Okay, so you're going to find something you can sit on. The height doesn't matter too much as long as you're able to lay it off the ground. Even if it's 12 inches, that's totally fine. So find something to sit on. Hands, a couple options. You can be here, you can be set back a little bit. Really the hands are just kind of to give you a little balance or support. And then from there, with a nice neutral spine, head, shoulders, hips, start leaning back, your legs pick up off the ground. From here, I'm going to extend out long. Okay, keeping this core intact, then I'm going to crunch in tight, knees coming towards the chest. Extend long, crunch to the chest. Long and crunch. Okay, with that again, your hands are really just for balance. If you're coming way back, you may find it easier to come back behind you to support and balance yourself. But either way, use that core, get long, keep core integrity, and crunch it in tight, and get those abs strong, and have fun. We'll see you soon.